I'm Jenny. I'm one of the orientation peers at CST Temple, and I'll walk you through how you can make an advising appointment through your TU portal. So once you are on the homepage of your TU portal, you would need to click on Student Tools, and you will be able to see Appointment System here in the middle. You will select Schedule Now. Select what kind of advising appointment you need. Let's select CST Advising. And then you will scroll down to the bottom, appointment type. So we offer future appointments and same day appointment as well. So right now we only have the option for future appointments. So let's do future and select the reason why do you want to meet with your advisor. So let's say I want to meet and discuss my academic planning, and just select the date that works best for you. So let's do 25th. Select an advisor. So Keith is on first year advising team. So let's select Keith and then just hit submit. So here you will need to add in why you want to meet with your advisor, just like a brief description. Let's say I want to meet and discuss my time of graduation. And you just hit submit. So looks like Keith has no open appointments available on 25th. So let's say if he has around 25th something. So you can see nothing on 24th, nothing on 26th as well. So what you can do is go back, change your advisor, and just write in the same. Want to discuss time of graduation. So it looks like Carlos has an appointment available. So I would just select that. What type of appointment I need? Let's do remote. Schedule my appointment. And here you go. I have a academic advising appointment with Carlos. Let's say I just got to know that I can't make it on 25th, so I can do is cancel my appointment. And there you go, it's canceled.